In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to post more than 9 photos on LinkedIn. Now, LinkedIn is a fantastic platform for professionals, and sharing multiple images in a single post can significantly enhance your message's impact. The process is straightforward, but there are a few key steps to follow to ensure your post looks exactly the way you want it to. First things first, head over to the LinkedIn website. Once you're there, you'll be prompted to sign in. You can either click sign in with Google or continue with your existing LinkedIn account. Occasionally, for added security, LinkedIn might ask you to complete a CAPTCHA. It's a simple step to ensure that it's really you trying to access the account. After you've successfully logged in, locate the Start a Post box at the top of your LinkedIn feed. Right below that, you'll see a media icon that looks like a photo frame. This nifty little icon is your gateway to uploading photos. Click on it and you'll be able to select the images you want to share. These photos can be anything that represents your professional journey, achievements, or moments you'd like your network to see. Make sure these photos are saved on your computer beforehand for easy access. Upon selecting the photos, a dialog box will pop up with a preview of your chosen images. Here you can review the photos you've selected and make any necessary changes. If everything looks good to go, simply click Next. The next step is crucial. Before you rush to click the post button, take a moment to review your post. This is your opportunity to add any captions, hashtags, or mentions to make your post more engaging. Engaging content tends to perform better and reach a broader audience, so it's worth taking a few extra minutes here to polish your post. Once you're satisfied with how everything looks, images, captions, the whole 9 yards, go ahead and click on Post. And that's it. You've successfully shared more than 9 photos on LinkedIn. Sharing multiple photos in a single post can bring your professional stories to life. Whether you're showcasing an event, a project, or even a behind-the-scenes look at your workplace, these posts can help you connect with your network on a deeper level. Remember, quality always trumps quantity. Select photos that are clear, relevant, and add value to your narrative. This approach will not only make your post stand out, but also enhance your professional brand on LinkedIn. And there you have it, uploading more than 9 photos on LinkedIn made simple. Whether you're a seasoned professional or just starting out, this skill will help you showcase your professional milestones and stories in the best light.